Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for shesaved.com, and I'm super excited to share with you that we are here on a hosted stay with our friends from Zion Ponderosa Ranch Resort. The ranch sits on 4,000 acres that literally borders the east boundary of Zion National Park. So we're going to drive up and show you the home we're staying in. There are quite a few lodging options at the ranch. We are staying in one of the vacation rental homes, and I'm excited to give you a peek at what that looks like. All right, so come on in so I can give you a look around. This home actually sleeps 26 people. The one that we are staying in is magnificent. This is one of 25, I think, homes in the Zion Ridge section, and this is obviously one of the larger ones, but they do have homes that sleep 8 on up. So this would be one of the larger homes, and it's just beautiful. This would be fantastic for a family reunion, maybe a corporate getaway, a girls' weekend and whatnot. But as you can see, it's just beautiful. So well done. I love this great room. Lots of space, cozy fireplace, just has a wonderful feel to it. And of course, it sits among the most beautiful scenery ever. Okay, so we'll continue with the tour of the home. Right off the great room is this cute little bedroom with a day bed in it. This would be great for kids or even a great place to store your things. And then we go into another of my favorite areas of this home. This is the large dining room table with an entryway out onto the deck, and we'll take a look at that in a minute. But this kitchen is fantastic. I love being able to go into a place with a beautiful kitchen like this where you don't need to bring anything but the food. They've got you covered with all of the dishes and utensils, pots and pans, everything you might need, including a few spices. They've got coffee filters. This is such a fun kitchen to cook in. You've got a microwave, of course, a beautiful double oven, stovetop, and then in the pantry, they've got all of the kitchen accessories and appliances that you might need, a toaster, coffee pot, and whatnot. So anyway, just a beautiful area. It's so fun to come into a home and cook when all you need to bring is your food. Right off the kitchen, we'll take a quick peek at one of the bathrooms. I am still not sure how many bathrooms are in this home. So this is bathroom number 1, right off the kitchen and garage. It has a walk-in shower in it. There are a lot of bathrooms in this home. So we'll try and give you a peek at all of those. Then a laundry room right here, which is so nice, especially when you're outdoors doing things. You can come in and take care of your laundry. And then that's all right off the garage. I love that you can pull your vehicle in. Any of your equipment or things that you might bring, you can put in here. And they've got extras like high chairs and whatnot. There's a ping pong table out here. So an enclosed garage is really nice when you travel as well. So we'll continue on looking. You've just seen a small portion of this house. So I'm going to continue on showing you all of the wonderful rooms here. So again, this sleeps 26 people. So here is a peek at my favorite room. This is the master bedroom, and it's huge and it's comfy. It's got a fireplace that sits on the other side of the fireplace in the great room, television, of course, and then a hot tub right off of this room that's out there among the beautiful trees and the scenery, which is so nice. And then again, this room is huge, and wait until you see this bathroom. Double sinks. And then this bathroom also has a soaking tub and a really nice big shower with double heads. And then we'll go in here to one of the biggest walk-in closets I've seen. So this is really nice too if you're traveling with a lot of things. Another great place to store your stuff, but so much room in this house. And also toilet in here as well. So again, lots of bathrooms for everyone, which is important if you have a large group. So that's really nice. Now we'll go downstairs and take a peek at the basement of this home, which I think would be fantastic for kids because not only is it really big, but it's super roomy. Like they could run around and play and have so much fun down here. There's a foosball table in here, which I know my teenagers love. And then there's a sitting area, like perfect for meals. There's a little kitchenette. You've got your refrigerator, microwave there. And then there are 3 sets of bunk beds. There's also a door out here that leads back up to the back deck patio. And then I wanted to mention again, those bunk beds, they each have a pull-out loft bed underneath. So you could actually fit 3 kids on each of those bunk beds. Okay, we're gonna go back now and look at the bedrooms that are in the basement. This is one of the bedrooms, nice closet space. They're so cute and well done. And then they share a bathroom. So again, another bathroom here. Really spacious, nice shower. And a toilet area, and then another bedroom tucked back in here. So as you can see, probably your biggest issue is going to be people selecting the rooms they sleep in because there are so many choices here. But I just love how this is all laid out. Now we're going to go all the way upstairs. So now we're back to the great room and the middle floor. I'm going to take you upstairs and show you how much room is up there. This is probably another of my favorite areas of the home, just getting up to the top of these stairs, because then you can really see just how magnificent it is. It looks down on all of this area. You can just imagine this full of people and what a fun time this would be. There is just so much room and openness here. This is one of the bathrooms that attaches to another guest bedroom on the other side, but it has a bathtub along with the toilet and sink area. And then we'll come out here, look down upon that great room and just how neat that is. And there's a sitting area at the top up here that also opens out onto an upper deck, which is just amazing. The views in the morning and of an evening have been just spectacular up here. So there's lots of room in this home for everyone to kind of get away and have their own space. And I really like the sitting area up here. There's a TV as well. I'm not sure if you could see that or not, but this bedroom here is really big, and it's off that bathroom that we just looked at. So again, lots of room and great choices for people to sleep in. Next to this one is another bedroom that also has its own bathroom right here. I think we're at like bathroom 5 or 6 now. I've totally lost track, but again, this one has a shower as well. So great for people when they're getting ready. This back bedroom actually has a door that shuts the bedroom and bathroom off to its own area. I think I would have to say that this is my favorite of the smaller guest bedrooms because it has a patio door that opens onto this deck. This is the other side of the deck that we looked at in the sitting room on the other side, but it's just beautiful and a great way to get out there and look at the view. So we'll walk back through here now and you can just see how roomy this house is and how everyone does kind of really get their own space, their own bathroom, and just a really neat way to come together, but all still have your own living space. It's kind of like being in a hotel, but still being together. So I really, really like that. I'm going to take you out now and show you the surrounding area and why these views are so spectacular. The way that sunlight pours through these large windows is amazing, but when you actually come out here onto the deck and enjoy the sunshine yourself, it is just incredible. There's tons of seating out here. There's a barbecue. And then again, one of my very favorite things right off that master bedroom out the sliding door is a hot tub. And to sit out there in the morning or in the evening under those stars is just amazing. We've had deer walking through here every day. Right down here, there's a fire pit that is perfect for getting together for s'mores and just sitting out there enjoying the evenings. But overall, you can see why this is just such a neat gathering place for families, friends, whatnot, whoever your people are. This is the type of vacation we look to because they take care of everything. You have everything you need just to enjoy your time together. I will include links as to where you can find out more about renting one of these vacation homes. I will also include links as to how you can find out more about the awesome activities and things to do at Zion Ponderosa Ranch Resort. We've really enjoyed our time here. This is Carrie Lynn for shesaved.com.